The Aipas F3 electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, functionality, and modern design that caters to both the adventurous spirit and the practical commuter. With a powerful 1500W peak motor and a robust 48V 12.8Ah battery, this e-bike stands out in a crowded market, promising not just an efficient ride but also an exhilarating experience. The first thing that strikes you about the Aipas F3 is its aesthetic appeal. The bike features a sleek, modern frame that immediately suggests a combination of durability and style. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the frame is lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for urban riding and off-road ventures alike. The bike comes in several striking color options, allowing riders to choose one that resonates with their personal style. One of the most impressive features of the Aipas F3 is its 1500W peak motor. This motor provides a significant boost, enabling the bike to reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour on flat terrains, which is exhilarating for any rider. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, making it easy to navigate through traffic or tackle steep hills without breaking a sweat. The bike also features 3 different riding modes: electric, assisted, and pedal-only, giving riders the flexibility to choose how much effort they want to exert. The electric mode is particularly appealing for those who want a hassle-free riding experience, while the pedal assist mode is perfect for those who want to work out without overexerting themselves. The 48V 12.8Ah battery is another standout feature. It provides a commendable range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This means you can comfortably use it for daily commutes or weekend adventures without worrying about running out of juice. The battery is conveniently removable, allowing users to charge it at home or work. Charging is straightforward, taking approximately 4 to 6 hours to reach full capacity, which is reasonable for most users. Comfort is a crucial element when considering an electric bike, and the Aipas F3 excels in this aspect. It comes equipped with a cushioned seat that provides ample support during long rides. The adjustable seat height accommodates different rider sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit. The bike's suspension system, featuring a front fork suspension and a rear spring shock, helps absorb shocks from uneven terrains, delivering a smooth ride whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling rugged trails. Another aspect worth mentioning is the bike's braking system. The Aipas F3 features dual disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power under various conditions. This is especially important for safety, as riding at higher speeds can increase the need for quick stops. The brakes are responsive and allow for smooth deceleration, giving riders confidence when navigating through busy urban environments or steep descents. The Aipas F3 also includes a bright LED headlight and taillight, enhancing visibility during night rides. The integrated horn is a thoughtful addition, allowing riders to alert pedestrians and other cyclists when necessary. This attention to safety features is commendable and adds to the bike's overall appeal for daily commuters who often ride in varied lighting conditions. In terms of assembly, the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, requiring minimal effort to put together. Most users will find the assembly straightforward, with tools included in the packaging. The instruction manual is clear and easy to follow, making it accessible even for those who might be new to e-bikes. However, like any product, the Aipas F3 is not without its drawbacks. Some users might find the weight of the bike a bit cumbersome. Weighing around 70 pounds, it can be challenging to lift or transport, especially if you need to carry it upstairs or load it onto a vehicle. Additionally, while the bike is equipped with a decent range of features, a few riders have noted that the display panel could be more intuitive. Although it provides essential information, such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, a more user-friendly interface would enhance the overall riding experience. Overall, the Aipas